What's going on, guys? We got the 6th generation 4Runner in the shop, and in this video we're going to show you how to remove the front bumper. So let's go ahead and get into it. So step one, we're going to pop the hood. So with the hood opened, we need to remove this plastic piece for your airbox and this plastic piece that's on top of the radiator. There's just a bunch of push clips, so let's go ahead and remove all those and get these two covers removed. So for these clips, you just push the top in the middle, pretty straightforward, and then you just grab the clip and pull it out. I would do this instead of just lifting up the whole panel because these could pop out and go flying. And if they go into the engine bay, you're probably gonna lose them. Next up, you have two plugs here that were underneath that cover for your air box. So we'll go ahead and get these undone. So we got both of those unplugged. So for example, you can see this one here. There is a clip that you would push to the side, and then you push this down, and that pushes the plug out. On the driver's side, you also have a plug that needs to get removed. On the top of your bumper here, you're gonna have three 10mm bolts. You got one right here, and one right here. Moving over to the wheel well here, we're gonna have 6 10mm bolts to remove, and then we also have two clips right here. So let's get those out. We have another 10mm bolt right here holding the bumper on. So with those bolts and clips removed, you can now reach inside. You'll be able to feel a clip down here at the bottom to start getting the fender flare to release from the bumper. And then there should be a second one in here as well. Once you have that, you can start popping this off. And that should be good enough. You can just get it released up to about here, and that'll give us enough room to get the bumper off. Once you have enough room to pull this back, you can see we have another 10mm bolt right there. So let's get that out. Over here at the driver's side, we're gonna do the same thing we just did on the passenger side. We're gonna remove those 10mm bolts. We have those two clips, and we can pop out our fender flare and get that other bolt removed from the side of the bumper. So we got all the bolts and clips removed on either wheel well. Now underneath, you're gonna find another two 10mm bolts. So let's go ahead and remove those. So right here is the 10mm bolt, and then you have one on the other side as well. There's not a whole lot of room in here to get a socket and ratchet because of the skid plate. So I am gonna use a wrench to get these off. So we have all of the bolts removed. Now we have some clips that are underneath the headlight area here. So we're just gonna go ahead and start pulling this section of the bumper out. That'll start to pop. Work it here along the headlight. That should be good. Let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So with all the bolts removed, there is 2 more clips inside the bumper that are holding it to a bracket, which you can reach in and you can get to it with your hand. There is a little plastic piece that you pull up on. As you can see, that side is free. Reach in this side and get that side off just like so. And then back up here at the top where we took out those 2 outer bolts, there is a plastic nub with there's a hole there and it's inside that. You just have to make sure you lift up on this and that will come off on both sides. So now the bumper is ready to come off. Just help it through the fender flare and headlight area. Come over on this side. Help it out over here as well. There we go. This does have a bit of weight to it, so just be careful. All right, and then we have a nice little table to set it on. So with the bumper off, right here you can see those plastic tabs I was talking about. When you pull up on it, it allows it to unlock itself from the bracket that is on the bumper. So those 3 tabs go into here to lock it into that. If you find yourself having trouble getting these 3 clips to come out from this bracket, another option you can do is just unbolt these 2 10mm bolts here and these 2 10mm bolts here and remove this whole bracket with the bumper. That's an option as well. All right guys, there you have it. That's how you remove your front bumper on a 6th generation 4Runner. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. If you still have any questions about this process, make sure to drop a comment down below. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and we'll see you guys in the next one.